And Ron's family, on my immediate right, Tommy Gusserow, Bruce Gusserow, Kelly, Anthony, and Joel. In the back row, we have Carol and Ross and Nicole and Monica on my left, and yours truly, Vince.
Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Shaw. Campbell family here. We have on my left Ronnie Campbell, Ian Campbell, Michael Campbell, Kathy Campbell, Teresa Campbell, and Alan Campbell. Thank you.
Paul, Lori, Gail, Helen, Gary, Cheryl, Ross, and Karen, and myself.
This is the McDonald family. Lauren on my right, Elizabeth on the end there, Aileen, Paulette, Kevin, Alan, and David, and myself, Ron.
All right, this is Pius, Kay, my wife, Nancy on my right, Lisa, Kenneth, Yvette, Kenneth, Lisa, John, and Brenda.